In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Ads Customer Match. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the left menu, click the Tools icon, then select Audience Manager. Next, open the Your Data tab and click the plus button to create a new audience. Choose Customer List as the audience type. After that, prepare your customer file with information such as email addresses, phone numbers, or mailing addresses, following Google's required format. Upload the file, give your audience a name, and confirm the data source. Now review the upload settings and click Upload and Create. Google will begin processing your customer list, which may take some time depending on the size of the file. Next, wait for the audience to finish processing. Once it's ready, you can use it when creating a new campaign or editing an existing one by selecting it in the Audience Segment section. Finally, monitor the audience status in Audience Manager and update your customer list regularly to keep your customer match audience up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Google Ads Customer Match. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.